How to add price alert on Bitget Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Bitget Wallet, then adding a price alert is one of the easiest steps to track the market without constantly staring at the charts. So let's go ahead and get through it. First of all, start by launching your Bitget Wallet app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Now from the home page, go to the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Go ahead and scroll for the coins you want. I'm just going to find one of these coins over here, and this will open up your chart page. After you're inside the chart page, which looks like this, go to the upper right corner and tap on the bell icon. You'll then be able to see this pop up if you don't have the notification enabled on your device. For Bitget Wallet, tap on Enable, since you'll need to do so that you can receive alert for the price change. After you allow notification, get back to the Bitget Wallet app. And now tap on the bell icon once again at the top right. And under Type, select whether you'd like to be alerted when market cap reaches, when it rises to, drops to, or you can choose any of these options over here. I'm just going to select market cap reaches so that I'll be alerted whenever the price hits a certain level. Now under market cap, select the price level you want to be alerted on. Under frequency, select how many times you want to be alerted when the price hits the target and click on create. Soon after you do that, you have added the price alert for this specific coin. You can also set multiple alerts if you're tracking different price levels. And now you don't have to keep checking prices every minute. Bitget Wallet will do the work for you. Whenever the price hits the certain level that you've just mentioned, you'll be alerted via notification on your Bitget Wallet. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.